In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make WhatsApp your default call app here on an iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up the settings app on your iPhone. So back out of WhatsApp, open up settings and scroll down to the bottom where your apps are actually listed and tap on apps. Now at the very top of this menu, you'll see an option called default apps. Go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different categories for those default apps like browser, messaging, and also calling. Go ahead and tap on calling. And from here, you'll see all of the calling apps you do have installed on your iPhone. By default, it's usually set to the phone app, but you should also see WhatsApp listed here. Just tap on WhatsApp to select it. And from now on, whenever you make or receive calls, iPhone is going to route them through WhatsApp instead of the default phone app. But that is it. Super quick, super easy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.